If you've ever struggled with eyeliner on your hooded eyes, try this one. It has no smudging and it lifts your eyes instantly. Today I'm giving you the cheat code for hooded eyes, and it doesn't even touch your eyelid. So let's get into the video. Hey beauties! So let's talk about something near but not so dear to my heart. Eyeliner and hooded eyes. Back at high school, I remember I used to draw eyeliners and apply false lashes. And I remember in the middle of the day when I closed my eyes, there's a little smudge on my eye. It made me so much angry. But now I know what to do. And you know, little by little, when I grew older, my hood became less. I don't know the reason, but when I was at that time, I had more hooded eyes. But then I discovered this trick. No lid drama, no smudging. Everything is just going to be done at the sides. Nothing is going to be above your eyes. So there's nothing to be worried about, right? So if you have hooded eyes, this is the eyeliner you need. I'm going to use my favorite eyeliner because I think that it gives me a very beautiful eye shape. And you can also use pencil liners or, I don't know, liquid liners. It depends on yourself. The trick is important, and you know, the liner doesn't matter. I mean, most of the time, of course, not all the times. Oh my God. With your eyes open and relaxed, take a pencil or fine liner. I'm using my brush, by the way. And draw a short line beside your eyes. You see that? This liner is not related to the back of my lid. It's not going to be disappeared under the fold, or it's not going to be smudged. So you draw the line straight and outward toward the tail of your brows, like this. You see that? It's super easy. You don't have to be professional for drawing this kind of eyeliner. When you're drawing eyeliner at the back of your eyelids, it's more tricky, but when you draw the liner beside your eyes, it's much more easier, trust me. And that's it. No lid, no crease, just a confident little line minding its business. You can also build it up, make it thicker, or draw it straight or draw it outward. It depends on yourself. The trick is to be done only besides of your eyes. And if you want to create that kind of almond shaped eye, you can add a little point at the inner corner, like this. Now, all I have to do is to repeat the process for my other eye. I promise that it takes you less than 5 minutes. With this eyeliner trick, you will have the easiest, fastest eyeliner of all times. You know, I used to think that makeup is just copying what other people do, but now I realize that it's about learning what works for your face best. For example, some people have so much big eyes, which is so much pretty, and they can do anything that they want. They can, for example, draw black eyeliner on their lower waterline, and it doesn't make their eyes as small because they have already big eyes and it's so much pretty. But for example, for someone like me that has very small eyes, it's not recommended to draw black liners on my lower waterline. So you see, you just have to pay attention to your own features. Just a little spot on the inner corner. That's it. Now let's complete the look with false lashes. You know, I think that all eye shapes are beautiful. You just need to embrace your own beauty and do not compare yourself with others. And you know, the world becomes beautiful if the faces are different. You see, the difference is important. If everyone looks like each other, it's not beautiful anymore. But if someone has hooded eyes, someone has deep set eyes, this is what makes the world beautiful. And remember, everything has a solution. Everything in the world. And if you couldn't find a solution for something, it doesn't mean that there's no solution for that. It means that you couldn't find it yet. And that is the final result of this eyeliner look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up because it really helps the channel. See you soon, and thank you for watching. Bye!